whatever goals we set in life, whatever dreams we plant in our hearts, to achieve them, we need a clear method, a solid roadmap, and this wisdom comes from a profound hadith, a hadith that gives us 5 powerful principles for every plan we create, principles that guide our decisions, our discipline, our entire direction. This guidance appears in a narration of Abu Huraira, R.A., and every sentence carries remarkable depth. 1. The first principle. The Prophet said, "The strong, capable, and skilled believer is better than the believer who lacks those skills. Both have goodness, both have value, but excellence belongs to the one who is prepared, empowered, and competent. And this strength is not only physical, it can be mental, spiritual, practical, scientific, professional. Whatever your field is, be strong in it. Grow your skills, expand your knowledge, sharpen your abilities." This is step 1. Become an effective, empowered believer. 2. The second principle. Once strength and skill enter your life, define your purpose. Life cannot move without vision. Those who plan move forward. Those without goals remain stuck. Set clear goals, your spiritual path, your financial direction, your family's future, your career, business, health. Everything needs its own vision. This is the second pillar. Know your purpose. Create your roadmap. 3. The third principle. When your goals are set, begin with Allah's help. After all the planning, the first real step is prayer. Seek His guidance. Make istikhara. Ask Allah to open the right doors. Say, "O Allah, if this is good for me, make it easy." No plan succeeds without His support. The true beginning is always with Him. 4. The fourth principle. Now comes the real test. Effort, hard work, consistency. It is not enough to pray. You must try, learn, adjust, rise again. If plan A fails, go to plan B. If plan B fails, move to C. Stopping after failure is not the way of a believer. Victory belongs to those who refuse to quit. Those who rise after every fall. 5. The fifth principle. And now comes the principle that brings peace. If you did everything, you gained knowledge, you planned, you prayed, you gave your full effort, and still the result wasn't what you hoped for, then remember the words of the Prophet ﷺ. Do not say, "If only I had done this, maybe it would have happened." This thinking breaks the heart and opens the door to whispers. Instead, say, "This was the decree of Allah, and whatever He wills, happens." This sentence frees your heart. Taqdeer is not to stop you from future effort. It is to heal you from the pain of the past, to help you move forward, to help you rise again. And the path Allah chooses for you is always better than the one you imagined. Trust Him, think good of Him, and keep trying. Conclusion. These are the 5 timeless principles: strength, purpose, prayer, effort, acceptance. When these 5 come together, a believer lives their best life, a life with clarity, direction, purpose, and peace.